What's up, guys? Tony Ramirez here, and welcome to The Garage. If you're into turning wrenches, fixing up cars, or just keeping your ride in top shape, you're in the right spot. I drop real-world tips, no fluff, just what actually works. So hit that like button, smash subscribe, and let's wrench smarter, not harder. All right, enough intro. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm diving into two important topics that can help you keep your car running smoothly. First, I'll guide you on how to find the best garage for your car repairs, sharing tips and tricks to ensure you get quality service. Then, we'll explore what ignition advance is and why it matters for your vehicle's performance. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking to understand your vehicle better, this video has something for you. Let's get started. This will facilitate combustion. So you'll need to shift your spark production ahead of time. Your engine's load, the driver's needs will have an impact on your engine's load. Faulty charging will lead to poor combustion, hence the need to bring forward the spark timing. This means you'll have a low charge when you leave your accelerator pedal at rest and a full charge when it's at its maximum position. What are the different types of ignition advance? There are different types of ignition advance. Initial spark advance, this is a minimum value to ensure that your engine runs smoothly at idle. Depending on the engine, this value can vary from 0 to 10 degrees before top dead center. Variation in your engine's rotational speed, a proportional relationship between the angle of rotation and the appearance of the spark is required. This will facilitate combustion. So you'll need to shift your spark production ahead of time. See garages how to obtain ignition timing. There are two possible options for triggering ignition advance without electronic engine management, only older vehicles with an ignition system synchronized to the camshaft via the pinion are concerned. Spark generation takes place during mechanical breaker cutoff. Here you'll find the breaker offset, which controls initial advance, the centrifugal curve and the load-dependent advance curve. These are defined by the manufacturer. Ignition advance with engine electronics, this device is now present on all vehicles. Several components are involved. The air pressure sensor and the position of your accelerator pedal transmit the engine load, while the TDC sensor indicates the position of your reference cylinder and engine speed. Using a map supplied by the manufacturer, your ECU will indicate the point at which you need to make your ignition advance. It receives the information from the spark plug. A spark is thus produced in the event of a power cut. The knock sensor will also intervene to optimize ignition timing. What are the different types of ignition advance? Your ignition system will experience very few breakdowns. Most of the time, these are electrical faults caused by defects in your spark plugs, ignition coil, sensors or wiring harness. When your engine management system detects a fault, you'll be alerted by the diagnostic light. You don't need to make any special adjustments to your ignition timing system. It will adapt to your engine's performance in real time. Ignition timing allows you to manage your engine efficiently, improving performance and reducing emissions. You'll find this system on gasoline-powered vehicles. Find the best garage to repair your car. Variation in your engine's rotational speed, a proportional relationship between the angle of rotation and the appearance of the spark is required. This will facilitate combustion. So you'll need to shift your spark production ahead of time. Mechanical Guide Engine Auto Parts Tips and Amp Tricks Chew. In conclusion, finding the best garage for your car repair needs is essential for maintaining your vehicle's performance and longevity. Understanding concepts like ignition advance can help you communicate effectively with your mechanic and ensure that your car receives the right care. By doing your research and considering factors such as reputation, services offered, and customer reviews, you can make an informed decision. Remember, a well-maintained car not only runs better but also keeps you safe on the road. Thank you for watching and drive safely.